Meanwhile, various sectors in Mindanao have joined hands in the fight against insurgency. We'll have the full story from Angel Deliera.
Key stakeholders, particularly regional directors from government departments, city mayors, and governors, Bishop Leopoldo Tumulak signed an agreement on the battle against insurgencies, spearheaded by 10th Infantry Aguila Division Commander Ariel Bernardo in Compostela Valley. Locations that need special attention are belonging to Region 11, particularly in places like Soc-Sargen, District 2 of North Cotabato, and others. Stakeholders who are part of the peace and development share their insights and sentiments on the issues of the unending existence of NPA rebels and the MI left that blocks potentials of the coming in of investors. Davao Oriental Governor Cora Malanyaon shares her insight reflecting on the current situation of her area of responsibility, that there can be no development without peace and no peace without development. Peace Panel member and chair of the Reciprocal Working Committee on Socio-Economic Reforms, or the RWC-SER, also discussed his sentiments and the issue of insurgencies, saying that the Philippine military and the government should address the issue not as a whole but by starting in the provincial level.
And very clear, doon sa consultation, gusto ng mga tao, meron silang participation dito sa the whole thing of building peace in this country, especially in the context ng armed conflict between the government and the CPP-NPA. So gusto nilang panghawakan yung mga peace initiatives mismo sa communities nila.
With the ongoing battle, the Philippine military is set to face the challenge as told by Major General Ariel Bernardo. Equipment of troops, harnessing power, improving mobility, and as well as generating healthy communication are the key elements to make the military confident in the fight on insurgencies.
Program ng AFP and the Philippine Army as far as equipping yung ating mga kasundaluhan, yung the necessary equipment. So, alam naman natin may kakulangan pa sa mobility assets, kaya namigay sila. We received 24 na mga military trucks.
For People's Angel Pizarro Deliera.